Why is Australia home to so many animals that we often label as deadly? It's a fascinating topic, and the answer isn't quite as simple as just saying Australia is dangerous. When we talk about deadly animals, it's important to remember that this often comes from a human perspective. These creatures have evolved over millions of years in a unique environment, and their adaptations are primarily for survival, for hunting, for defense, and for thriving in their specific ecosystems. Australia's long period of isolation as a continent has played a massive role in this. Without the constant influx of species from other landmasses, Australian wildlife developed along its own distinct evolutionary path. This isolation allowed for the development of unique traits, and yes, some potent venom and defense mechanisms. Think about it this way. Many of the animals we consider dangerous, like certain snakes and spiders, possess venom. This venom isn't designed to go out and attack humans. It's a highly specialized tool for subduing prey or defending themselves when they feel threatened. Their venom is incredibly efficient, allowing them to take down animals much larger than themselves with a small amount of toxin. This efficiency is a testament to their evolutionary success in their environment. Then there are animals like the box jellyfish, renowned for its incredibly potent sting. Again, this is a defense mechanism. In the vast ocean, it needs a powerful way to deter predators or incapacitate small prey. Its complex stinging cells, or nematocysts, are a marvel of biological engineering, designed for rapid and effective delivery of toxins. It's also worth noting that the perception of deadly can sometimes be amplified. While these animals are certainly capable of causing harm, encounters with humans are relatively rare, and many are quite shy. The vast majority of Australian wildlife, even the ones with impressive defenses, prefer to avoid confrontation. They're not actively seeking out humans to harm. Furthermore, Australia has a robust system for managing wildlife and ensuring public safety. There are clear guidelines, educational programs, and emergency services that are well equipped to handle any unfortunate encounters. The focus is always on coexistence and understanding, rather than fear. So while Australia certainly has its share of fascinating and formidable creatures, it's more about understanding their place in the ecosystem and respecting their evolutionary journey. They are a vital part of Australia's incredible biodiversity, and their unique adaptations are a testament to the power of nature. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration. I hope this sheds some light on why Australia's wildlife is so unique. Just how many dangerous species call Australia home? It's a question that often comes up, and the truth is, it's not quite as simple as a single number. Australia is renowned for its unique wildlife, and yes, some of these creatures possess potent defenses. When we talk about dangerous, it's important to remember that most animals aren't inherently aggressive towards humans. Their primary goal is survival, and any perceived threat often leads to a defensive reaction. The sheer diversity of Australia means there's a wide array of species that could pose a risk if encountered improperly. We're talking about venomous snakes, of course, with species like the inland taipan and eastern brown snake being among the most venomous in the world. Then there are the marine inhabitants, jellyfish like the box jellyfish and irukandji, and even some sharks, though attacks are thankfully rare. On land, we also have creatures like the funnel-web spider, whose bite requires immediate medical attention. However, it's crucial to put this into perspective. The number of incidents involved in these animals is far lower than many people imagine. The vast majority of Australians live their lives without ever having a dangerous encounter. This is largely due to a few key factors. Firstly, many of these species inhabit remote areas and actively avoid human contact. Secondly, education plays a massive role. Australians are generally taught from a young age how to respect wildlife, and what to do if they encounter a potentially dangerous animal. This includes knowing to give them space, not to provoke them, and to seek professional help if an incident occurs. So while the potential for danger exists with a number of species, the actual risk to the average person is managed through awareness and responsible behavior. Instead of focusing on a definitive count, it's more helpful to understand that Australia has a rich ecosystem with a variety of creatures that have evolved powerful survival mechanisms. Our role as humans is to coexist respectfully, to be informed, and to appreciate the incredible biodiversity that makes this continent so special. If you found this interesting, please consider following for more insights.